Hello. Today I'm introducing the CamThink NeoEyes NE301, a compact, ultra-low power camera designed for developers and prototyping. It's ideal for robotics, smart cities, industrial monitoring, agriculture, or outdoor surveillance. The camera has a 4-megapixel sensor, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, and a modular design. The enclosure provides IP67 protection. Particularly worth mentioning is the power system. The standard configuration includes a case with 4 AA batteries, and it also supports USB Type-C and other power methods. The main processor is the STM32N6, with an integrated NPU delivering 0.6 TOPS of power. The camera supports on-device AI models like YOLOv 8 for object detection. In ultra-low power mode, sleep consumes just 7 to 8 microamps, while active mode uses 170 to 180 milliamps. Under full load, batteries last 3 to 4 hours in lab conditions, but thanks to dynamic power management, smart sleep features, and the STM32U073KX controller, real-world operation can be significantly longer, with millisecond wake-up times. The open-source SDK and web view, I make it easy to deploy models and configure the device. Now I will show you how to assemble this camera in a simple way. Let's start with the button. The button is attached with a metal plate in these screws. The screwdriver that came with the camera was not very suitable for screwing these screws, so I used my own screwdrivers. Great, the button is attached. It works great. Let's inspect and install the main board. Let's attach the board with these screws. This screw is for mounting the camera. Let's screw it in. These sealing rings are for ensuring the water resistance of the camera body. Let's install them. Pay attention to the locking points of the cover. Screw the cover in place with screws. Let's stick the protective glass. The design of the camera is great. The camera also has easily accessible GPIO ports. The battery box is attached with these screws. Let's install the back cover sealing ring. Let's insert the batteries. Camera is working. All that remains is to close the back cover. As you can see, there are mounting points provided on the camera body. That's it. The CamThink NeoEyes NE301 camera is fully assembled. I hope you enjoyed this video.